Hello everybody, this will be a quick review for the Nasdaq for today, October 22nd, 2025. We can see a 1-minute chart on the left and a daily chart on the right. Looking at pre-market session, we can see we have these liquidity levels. This minor sell side liquidity from 8:30 exact, this intermediate term low, and this long-term low, I rather say, or intermediate term low from 748, which is our max sell side liquidity. We also have formed these relatively equal lows right here. Here you can also see my two trades for today. Then we had this buy side level as our pre-market session buy side, which was my target, and this buy side level as our pre-market session liquidity high. We also had this relatively equal highs, this previous day's high, or rather Asia session's high, and then this is the previous day's high, and also these two highs, which are all my buy side liquidities for the day, which none of them got hit except the nearest. We had a large sell-off, also this inversion fair value gap and this first presented fair value gap. Then also you can see the quadrant levels for the daily chart. We can see all these quadrant levels were respected, and here also you can see our opening range gap, how its levels were also respected. Then we had a large sell-off down to this week's new week opening gap. We've just fell short of the midpoint and had a large reaction to the upside, trading back into the inversion fair value gap, which made me enter my trade. Again, large sell-off off of it, taking out this sell side liquidity, trading down into this wicks level, and then again we also went down into Monday's regular trading hour gap and previous week's new day opening gap, and we also traded below the 25,000 level, and into the daily inversion fair value gap, or rather reclaimed fair value gap from October 1st. We played around with it a little bit and had again a strong reaction trading below it, also into previous Monday's first presented fair value gap. Strong reaction to the upside, large rally. We did not go for any major buy side today, but which is very important, we closed above the daily SBISI, which is a rather bullish sign, or I'd say a neutral sign. It's not very bearish. We stayed inside of the daily volume imbalance, and I would say by candles like this, where it's literally a bottom tick, I mean the low of it is 25,033.50 and the low of the volume imbalance is 25,033.50. So I'd say that's a very clean price action, and it's a rather bullish sign. I would say that price doesn't want to leave these levels. So I'm expecting higher prices for the week, but I will not trade tomorrow, and I will see how price will react off of it. Thank you for watching.